Hello there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. Yes, I'm walking, going to Bichara Cinema to watch a movie with my mother and my tita Lot. Only three of us. I still have 15 minutes and they are about to take a tricycle. As usual, gonna take a walk because some kind of exercise and to save money for transportation. It's 12 pesos. And then after I'm gonna watch a movie, I'm gonna travel now going back there in Manila. You know what, it's some kind of a rainy here, rain showers, and there's a wind blowing, and some part of our place is was brown out. Hello. Oh gosh. So how are you all doing? Happy New Year as always. Oh my gosh, the wind blows. Oh no. But there's no typhoon in here. I'm tired to use my wagon. And now I'm not I'm lazy to use the wagon, the Britney Cheryl ever loving wagon. So still walking. Bye for now guys and gals. Have a great night. I feel like to pee. Bye bye bye. Shout out to each every one of you. Godspeed. Have a very fruitful year for this 2026, and I hope all your dreams will come true. Bye.